Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a valve cover gasket. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including a new gasket, a socket set, and a torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin any work. Taking a few moments to clean the area around the valve cover will help prevent dirt from entering the engine during the process. This preparation ensures a smoother and more effective repair. Now let's get to removing the old gasket. Begin by carefully detaching the engine cover and any hoses or wiring harnesses connected to the valve cover. Next, loosen and remove the valve cover bolts, often in a reverse order of tightening, to prevent warping. Gently pry the valve cover free, taking care not to bend or damage it. Finally, thoroughly clean the cylinder head surface, removing all traces of the old gasket material for a proper seal. With the surface clean, it's time for the new gasket. Apply a small, thin bead of RTV sealant at the corners where the cylinder head meets the timing cover if recommended. Carefully seat the new gasket into the valve cover's groove, ensuring it's perfectly aligned. Then, gently place the valve cover back onto the cylinder head. Tighten the bolts in the correct sequence, typically from the center outwards, to the manufacturer's specified torque, often around 7 to 9 foot-pounds, for an even seal. After installing the new gasket, reconnect all hoses, wires, and the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and carefully inspect the valve cover area for any signs of oil leaks. It's crucial to ensure everything is sealed correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Over the next few days, keep an eye on your oil levels and listen for any unusual engine noises to confirm a successful repair. Great job on tackling this project.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.